said ya go can say mun sam ebro e won kwantana ne so from Eugene Kwame Anane sports team ni nyina enso ebo michi doma yedi dwumadie ba besomo Jeff one adaro ma dwumadie ne live on Facebook into remo Facebook a ubenya dwumadie ni bi ahwe na bibia kwaso kama de ama na nsam no dos yebo ni taw ya say transfer window no enso aba na wie ya eno ne yebewuram na ensam kakra Ghana me che Ghana yem players no ha ye ball league wie ye mo matu kwan no ye de omo ho nsam kakra enso atudwa na afei ya sori ya ma goody enso e de kwanta nan so dwumadie no enso atoa mo so na ye nsensem na se dia ne ewuram ewo eye o mampanyi Akufuado aso ye enra e de say okokate sword for the construction of air facility All African Games 2023 Ghana ye jesi na so no omampanyin Akufuado enso ekokate sword na bibia enso ekoso kama na uwram a ensem no say ana sword a okokate ye no eniema ewom no enso etie 400 meter air 6 lane athletic air warm up track with air playing field for football, washrooms for male and female. Ninyina ensuom na fame spectator stands for a year 500 people and also it will be 1,000 seater air competition swimming pool and also penifo warning and so our facility ni man two remo Facebook both Jeff one adaro modi adeno and so at honma obenya bi ahwenes niam womu no edos yie pa nti ye fa no so ensina feyem to ansam ne so e ho dia e ade se enra and that's a Blasters of Ghana and so akopiem ewo eye kepkosa omo hwa ni mu se nyame boa efiada game a Ghana ye ni Ethiopia airborne a World Cup qualifier ni bibia be kwaso kama na ansana team no and so ebe kone ade se Cat ES Okreku ane Honorable Mustafa Yusuf and so ebo ramu boys no e campa omode ensem kakra and so atudwa e wo hwa ye de ho nsem no edebe ma na ha nti ye tie voice a Honorable Mustafa Yusuf ono nso agina abana namu a ode ema Blaster players ahead of game a nyame boa efiada eba so no
the battle without then you'll be defeated. So all the necessary preparation towards this battle that we are just going to embark on, and the campaign we are going to embark on the government side, we are going to ensure that everything is done, and so that we have a very fruitful campaign. We know we cherish each and every one of you. To have opportunity of wearing the Blaster jersey is a pride, and we know that the caliber of people who are sitting in this room going to represent us both in the World Cup qualifier and the AFCON, which is just heading ahead of us. We have no doubt at all that we are going to perform and deliver and lift the flag of Ghana very high. And not only in Ghana, because anytime the Blaster have the opportunity of especially qualifying and participating in the World Cup, the whole continent looks up to the Blaster. And also Ghana, on top of what's happening in Germany, the whole continent. So the Blaster of Ghana that represents the continent. What's happening in South Africa? So we have rich history when it comes to the World Cup. We have rich what we have done in the past. It might not be new, but once we are in the team, you have performed. Your predecessors, those who were there, have left a very big role for you to come and fill. And I have no doubt that you are going to deliver. So I'm here just to deliver a short message, and the message is to wish you, bring you the good real message from His Excellency the President. And also assure you that we totally cherish you wherever that government is going to do to ensure that this campaign that we are just going to embark on, you do it successfully. Government is going to do it for you.
Na say eno ayensama Honorable Sports Minister Mr. Yusuf editu dwa yade ahon sam ni bi ma na owie ya na Cat ES Okreku GFA president enso simun somai na ensem we unim say wo hanom na say unhu say unqualifier ana say uni gidia eni kwa say wo hana yetie Cat ES Okreku nsema ono nso editu ya.
All of us here have been waiting for this moment. A moment to correct our history, a moment to put our names in gold, a moment to make our individual families and our good selves proud. It's a moment I have been waiting for as the leader of this family, because perhaps this is my very first game, and it's a moment each one of you should be looking up to if you are a top player. If you are a top player, you you need to belong to the topmost platform in football. If any of you here is not a top player, please, this is the door, you can walk out. It means you don't belong to this family. You don't belong to the platform that confronts us beginning on Friday. If you're a top player, this is the time. This is the time. If you call yourself a top player, the World Cup is the biggest platform you can think about as a career, where all the big players assemble and show what they are made of. If you're a top coach, CK, this is the time. This is the time for you to show that you are the best. In the same way, if you're a top manager, it's the time for you to show what you have. And I believe that each one of you here has been waiting for the moment to also play at the World Cup. And that journey starts from here. And a journey starting from here. Because the preparations towards the game starts from here.
Why I am someone Ket ESOKEKU president. And the Ghana Football Association, and the 2 day they are some no, and the Emma Mamika also game no, and Namibua if you are 7 p.m. and a game no air so Cape Coast Sports Stadium. You the live commentary no, and so ever brought a place. Meno Casamoa company say, and it's Richard Ofori, Richard Atamanaf Nurdi, and I feel Lawrence Atizigi, defenders no, and the Yadam, Philemon Bafwa, Baba Abdurrahman, Gideon Mensah, Daniel Amate, Abdul Ismail Ganiu. Alexander Juku, Jonathan Mensah, Samuel Abe Asikwe, Joseph Edu, and Afe, Fatah Mohammed, midfielders no, Mubarak Wakasu, Baba Idrusu, Emmanuel Omote, Majid Asmeru, Fatahu Abdul Isaku, Afe, Samuel Ousu, Kamaluddin Suleiman, Jeffrey Shop, and Afe, Yao Yabua, forwards no, Andre Dede Ayu, Afe, Jordan Ayu, Daniel Afriye Banier, Joel Famia, Daniel Kofitre, Brandon Emanu, Kwame Poku, and Emmanuel Jesse, Wemo, any players almost our blasters campaign, they are some no at the Emma and a pay, Tim no ever coso, no my training Abibia, and so Akoso Kama, at the Amagana, Yam blasters no DFA, a delegation. Ora Ket ESOKEKU, Afe Mark Ado, Prosper Harrison Ado, and Afe Dr. Tony Obin, Amusu Rem, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Asuya, Ekodanasi. It's as the last season, launching Ghana's league season, you know, Opani, Ebabe Piemu Asia, Odin Munyam, Ebatech Afe, Amusu a modern money supporter, Vice President Dr. Baumia, Emma football, any football in general Ghana ha, Nessa, so Amusu Rem, no Mokodo, Panina Sintomukoi, Ekoda, Panina, Dr. Mau Baumia, and so I say, Jubilee House, Yadia Hunsamno, at the Emma, and there's an Enra. FIFA and referees and assistant referees among annual fitness and medical tests no and so eberia or pajoa yade ahun sem no e de ema say report ni nyina and the penny for air forward e de akoma FIFA and the CAF no mahu de e kona be kaya July mu ho and the Dreams FC etna dew and Brekum Chelsea ebo game na game ni bia wie no ya de sento copy and a course why who say assistant referee Abdul Hanan Abu edema Brekum Charles na say dressing room na nim ho no omo de omo sake kan yie pa na no na enam so enne ade say final and so akọ e de ama coach your friend Everett Odini Juma edema Dreams FC Boboko no 4 matches ban and am for e de opportunity so 5,000 Ghana on Kokotia and for MGFA Association. I so the airby idea on some no at the air mount our Ghana young football na rem our Central region Metro Division 2 no and so emu eka krana they say middle league no teams so ma qualify no and so say and etia enra and they say groupings no and so ebetoja group A MBC Football Club amu obu say amoni Kumasi Sports Academy afe Benap football club and afe Future Stars and a grouper and no group A group B no Ebony Football Club Pro A Players Academy Asekem and afe Jati Youth Stars omonso and a group B and Nyamibua Sunday and a matches nina ebaso ewo Okese Parker ye be dia che near the home common bebre na bibia and so akoso kama and no dia ba dia honsem ni bi e de ema na ma rem Mediama Bobo Kono and Swashe and nay ebetoja se goalkeeper Eric Oforiachi Alawa on Lagos City's Bobo Kono 2 years omakasa wi akasa media ma enso ebe release player na na the fita kweba ene say Moses Amapaka on person ebe release abrantie no ni nyina ene say still na omope abrantie a ye frɛ no eye Eric Ofoyentu so obesi akan e de ama eye media ma bobo korintie nei de ba ene say still omope say on be release abrantie na asante goal bobo ko de ba ene say former Abusua Drafts coach, your friend NS Thompson Kwete, and penning for any 2 years. Oba Bedi Juma, and the Ama Abusua Drafts Bobo Kona, Yadia Hon 70B at the Air Mount Ewo Jumadiano, and so as now there's a Karela United management, and run a remove Facebook to see her. Amudi coach, a Bismarck Kobe Mensa, and so Aqua coach a chief of Eninasia, your friend Nana a trepany at the feet. Nana a trepany the feet. Modern Cocotia no one, na he feel honest and and so just a blessing, where Shirano, Sa Uncle Jumana, Uncle Codino, Bibian Coso Kama, Nana Dino, and I am the yepa, Nana a company at the feet. That's I know, at the buy a dear home some no, at the Emma to just one, and so at the I am picture no and so over to Facebook na se bibia and so akwaso kama na why hinasia and so ehun sem and ye de Emma Ignatius self for su and there's no so that Tachima 11 wonders and supporters any teams ni nyina and our players no management obiase so omo so eboa no na ni dwumadi obedi edema eye omo no bibia kwaso kama as so folk and now 2 friendly games and omo ball ewo Legon Ayas Park na 9 a.m. ya and a jumadi no and so start ya there's a house and interlines ebebona from ni adabraka warders and so abona se no ni nyina preparation game a omo ball na omo so akwakopiem ewo Champions League and na house of folk and so ekwakosi akan na yemram na Ghana Premier League transfer say there's a season I try muno and so about so far Joseph Eso every dreams echo MC Orgies ewo Algeria Michael Agbekwenu every dreams echo KF Etidia and so ewo Albania Precious Boa every dreams echo Esperance ewo Tunisia Kwame Poku every Kotoko echo USF Orgies ewo Algeria Kwame Pepra every King Faisal akopiem ewo Orlando Pirates ewo South Africa Augustine Boache of Wafa akopiem ewo Uzbega AC ewo Australia Abraham Wayo every Liberty akopiem ewo Etwadi Sahel ewo Tunisia Salif Moro every Becham United akopiem Itiad Alexandra ewo Egypt Nana Kofi Babel every Mediama akopiem NKLA Alunji ewo Micham Slovenia Emos Frimpong every 11 wonders akopiem ewo Kamsa ewo Guinea Samson Duku every non a free agent also akopiem ewo Kamsa afa Martin Enki and so free agent also akopiem ewo Kamsa ewo Egypt and afa Daniel Omote and so every wafa I saw no see akan edema AS Solima and so ewo Tunisia na say way transfer news and also ekoso ewo Ghana yem football anymore e dey ahonsem no e dey airborne na him say it's a Ghana still na ya transfer no do amano ne dia no abana wie na Ghana dia ne die enya de say abana wie ye ntide beto da bia no ye de ahonsem no enso ebema ewo dwumadie no enso eso ewo ahanom na him say nyambo a ochina ana kotoko there's a board meeting no and so eba suntie be dia kire ne de din komo ni bebre na afei ye de ehonsem ni bebre so e de abramu ntini ye de besi